Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12 Review. The pinnacle of premium business laptops, the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12 builds on the legacy of its predecessors, continuing to deliver an exceptional combination of power, portability, and durability for business professionals, students, and anyone who needs a premium laptop for everyday use. This 12th generation model refines the formula with improved internals, enhanced battery life, and a sleeker design while retaining the core features that make it a go-to for productivity. Now let's watch this video.
Hello, this is Nick from Laptop Media, and today we will show you how to open the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 11. If you want to open the device, you need to undo 5 captive Phillips head screws. Then you can pry the bottom plate starting from one of the top 2 corners, and then you can work your way around the zone behind the hinge.
Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you.
The battery is a 57 watt-hour unit. Because the connector is built into the battery, you need to wear gloves in order to prevent short circuits. Then, you have to undo the 6 Phillips head screws that are fixing the model in place. The capacity is enough for 25 hours of web browsing or 20 hours of video playback. The result is just outstanding. Here, we have a soldered memory. On the bright side, you get up to 64 gigabytes of LPDDR5, 6000 megahertz RAM, which sounds future-proof. The 32 gigabyte configurations come with the same memory clock, while the 16 gigabyte iterations rely on 6400 megahertz memory frequency. Note that the RAM is rated at 7500 megahertz for all machines, but it operates at a lower frequency due to platform limitations. There is just one M.2 slot for 2280 Gen 4 SSDs. It's protected by a metal plate that has a cooling pad on the inside. Another pad is placed below the NVMe. Next to the cooling is positioned the W1 slot for optional 4G or 5G connectivity. The cooling seems basic, but it seems enough for a U-series CPU. It comprises 2 small fans, 1 thick heat pipe, a heat sink, and 1 heat spreader.
This is an SSD replacement on an Lenovo X1 Carbon Gen 12. So it's just a few screws here. Just the 4, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. These tabs seem pretty fragile, but they're like super long. I'm just trying to give you a look at it there. Gave me big trouble just now. There's one here too, so I'm really just trying to push right on it to get it released. And that should be it now. Yeah, different than the last model, it had a screw there, and the tabs on the side are super long like that too. If you can see how long it is. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so it clips like closer to the edge of it there, so be careful with the tabs. First couple came loose easy, but these two were difficult. Anyway. There's a couple in the middle there. Just come loose if you shake it a bit. And then, yeah, they slide in, so you don't want to pry up the front part, otherwise you're not gonna have the time. Okay, inside really, here's my SSD. This would be a right-hand slot option. Piece of this rubber on the bottom side of this SSD as well. So lift up just a little bit and wiggle it out. Yeah, so yeah, just put the new SSD back in, screw on the heatsink back on, and maybe that's it. Other than that, you can take a look here. There's nothing else to see. Really, the SSD is the only thing you can replace, and if you have a SIM card slot option out, yeah.